In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a FigJam file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite the right people, set the correct access, and make sure your collaborators can jump in smoothly. Start by opening the FigJam file you want to share, and make sure it's the correct one in your workspace. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Share button. It usually sits near your profile picture and stands out in the toolbar. Click it to open the sharing window. This panel is where you control who gets access and what they're allowed to do in the file. In the Share window, you'll see a field where you can enter an email address. Type the email of the person you want to invite. Take a quick moment to confirm the spelling so the invite reaches the right inbox. If you're inviting multiple collaborators, you can add them one at a time, repeating the same process for each person to keep things organized and intentional. Before sending the invite, choose the level of access that makes sense for your situation. By default, many files are set to view only. Can view is a safe option when you just need someone to look at the content, follow along during a workshop, or review progress without making changes. If you want true collaboration, adding sticky notes, drawing, editing content, or restructuring the board, switch the permission to Can Edit. This gives the person full editing rights in the FigJam file. A quick tip: keep core collaborators on edit access and set everyone else to view access to protect your work from accidental changes. Once you've confirmed the email and selected the appropriate permission, click Invite. FigJam will send an email notification to the person you added, and they'll be able to open the file with the exact access you assigned. If they're new to the platform, they may be prompted to sign in or create an account before they can view or edit. That's all you need to share a FigJam file effectively. Click Share to open the panel, enter the email, adjust the permission from View to Edit if needed, and then click Invite. After sending, it's a good habit to glance back at the sharing panel to ensure the access list looks correct. Clear, intentional sharing not only keeps your board secure, but also sets your collaborators up for success from the moment they join.